Sure.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, but with a very humble request to make your songs very short because it is 9:12 now. You understand?
Ma'am, this is short song actually.
Yes, please, please.
I am from 329 district 329. আপনি আসলে তবে বল দিবি তুই কারে আপনি আসলে উঠে উঠে
হ্যাঁ, তোমরা একটু টানা লাগাও, বুঝেছি না? আমি এখানে বসে টানা
আপনি অবসরে করিস জয় সবাই যখন সারা ডাক দিবি তুই রে আপনি অবসলে কবে বল দিবি তুই কারে আপনি অবসলে I make it short, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. Next is Anvitha Kashyap. Are you there? Anvitha Kashyap? Anvitha Kashyap, are you there? Next is Arya Mishra. Arya Mishra, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yes,
Yes.
Please be taught.
I'm ready. Yeah.
Okay.
Shall I perform now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. ये वक्त ना ठहरा है, ये वक्त ना ठहरेगा, ये वक्त ना ठहरा है, ये वक्त ना ठहरेगा, दिन ये गुजर जाएंगे, घबराना कैसा, दिन ये गुजर जाएंगे, घबराना कैसा, हिम्मत से काम लेना, घबराना कैसा, ये वक्त ना ठहरा है, ये वक्त ना ठहरेगा, सागर के सीने से आते हैं जब मोती, लहरें कभी बौखलाए तो डर जाना कैसा, हिम्मत से काम लेना, घबराना कैसा, ये वक्त ना ठहरा है, ये वक्त ना ठहरेगा, ये सुख दुख जीवन में आते और जाते हैं, दुख पहले ही आ जाए तो घबराना कैसा, हिम्मत से काम लेना, घबराना कैसा, ये वक्त ना ठहरा है, ये वक्त ना ठहरेगा.
Thank you.
For COVID, for the pandemic situation. This was my message to all, to the entire world.
Thank you. Vishwajita Mohanty, are you there? Vishwajita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Hello, ma'am. I am Vishwajita Mohanty from Innerville Club of Cuttack Midtown, District 326. and I will sing a song which is dedicated to all the women who are victim of domestic violence. So we should not keep quiet, and we should raise our voice. So this song is about this. आंसू के संग ना बहूंगी सखी, गुमसुम में अब ना रहूंगी सखी, सहने से बेहतर कहूंगी सखी, आंसू के संग ना बहूंगी सखी, गुमसुम में अब ना रहूंगी सखी, तन के घाव पे मरहम हया का, मन का घाव है प्यासा दवा का, तन के घाव पे मरहम हया का, मन के घाव है प्यासा दवा का, सितम के अंधेरों में सदियों है बिलखी, मासूम भोली वो प्यारी खुशी, घुट घुट के कब तक जीऊंगी सखी, गुमसुम में अब ना रहूंगी सखी, सहने से बेहतर कहूंगी सखी, आंसू के संग ना बहूंगी सखी, अब ना मैं गुमसुम रहूंगी सखी, वारे ये प्यार का कैसा सिला है, सहजो गए बारंबार मिला है, वारे ये प्यार का कैसा सिला है, सहजो गए बारंबार मिला है, जुल्मी नकाबों के पीछे छुपा है, कायर सा चेहरा दिल से दुखी, जुल्म में अब ना सहूंगी सखी, गुमसुम में अब ना रहूंगी सखी, सहने से बेहतर कहूंगी सखी, आंसू के संग ना बहूंगी सखी, अब ना मैं गुमसुम रहूंगी सखी. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Deepshikha.
Good evening, everyone. I come from West Bengal, district West Bengal. While Amir Khan talked about female feticide in his first episode of Satyameva Jayate, he dedicated a song to the girls. Now, this song is a song for hope, and this is composed by Ram Sampath and was written and sung by Swanand Kirkire. I hope I do justice to the song. Please enjoy. ओरे चिड़ैया नहीं सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा दे, ओरे चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया, अंगना में फिर आ जा दे, अंधियारा है घना और लहू से सना, किरणों के तिनके अंबर से झुमके, अंगना में फिर आ जा दे, हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए, हमने तुझ पे जहां भर के जुल्म किए, हमने सोचा नहीं तू जोड़ जाएगी, ये ज़मीं तेरे बिन सूनी रह जाएगी, किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना, ओरी चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया, अंगना में फिर आजा रे, तेरे पंखों में सारे सितारे जड़ूं, तेरी चूनर ढनक सतरंगी बुनूं, तेरे काजल में मैं खाली रहना भरूं, तेरी मेहंदी में मैं कच्ची धूप मलूं, तेरे नैनों से जादू नया सपना, ओरी चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया, अंगना में फिर आजा रे, ओरी चिड़ैया। Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next is Dr. Subhashini Sharma. Are you there? Dr. Subhashini Sharma, are you there?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Can I sing?
Yes, sure.
Okay. बाबुल प्यारे सजना सखारे सुनो मेरी मैया, बोझ नहीं मैं किसी के सर का, ना मझधार में मैया पतवार बनूंगी, लहरों से लड़ूंगी, अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपैया, हो अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपैया, हो। कल बाबा की उंगली को थामे चली थी, कल बाबा की लाठी भी बन जाऊंगी, अम्मा तेरे घरों देगी चिड़िया हूँ मैं, दाना लेकर ही वापस घर आऊंगी, जिसकी फितरत में हैरत समाई नहीं, जिसको दौलत से ज्यादा में भाई नहीं, ऐसे साजन की मुझको जरूरत नहीं, ना कहने ना सुन लो मुहूर्त यही, मैं अकेली चलूंगी किस्मत से मिलूंगी, अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपैया, हो अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपैया, हो अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपैया, हो। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Next is Jhilam. Jhilam, you're there?
Yes.
Before Jhilam starts, this is for the judges. Judges, you must be knowing that category 2 is for songs with a social message. So the message is very important in the song.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm Jhilam. I have contestant number 61. I actually chose the same song as my previous contestant sang. So I think I will sing the second verse, and because the verse one we have already heard. बाबुल प्यारे सजन सखारे सुन लो मेरी मैया, बोझ नहीं मैं किसी के सर का, ना मझधार में नैया पतवार बनूंगी, लहरों से लड़ूंगी, अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपैया, ओ अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपैया, दिल से दिल के तार तो जुड़े नहीं, तो रस्मों पे दौलत ये काहे बहे, हम तो प्यार की ख्वाहिश में रिश्ते बुने, तो रिश्तों में लालच हम काहे सहे, क्या शादी के आगे जिंदगी ही नहीं, जो शादी हिसाबों की केवल है वही, ऐसे शादी की मुझको जरूरत नहीं, ना कहने का सुन लो मुहूर्त यही, सुबह सीख लूंगी रतिया से लड़ूंगी, अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया, अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया, बाबुल प्यारे सजन सखारे सुन लो मेरी मैया, बोझ नहीं मैं किसी के सर का, ना मझधार में नैया, पतवार बनूंगी लहरों से लड़ूंगी, अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया, ओ अरे मुझे क्या बेचेगा रुपया। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Next is Kavita Niyat. Are you there? Kavita? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here. Yes, I'm here. Kavita Nir from District 318. एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी यार कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, ला 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 ला, कुछ पाकर खोना है, कुछ खोकर पाना है, जीवन का मतलब तो आना और जाना है, दो पल के जीवन से एक उम्र चुरानी है, जिंदगी यार कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है। Thank you.
Thank you, Kavita. Next is Lata Ashok. Lata Ashok, are you there? Lata
Hello.
Ashok.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I'm from the district 323.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Sa ना जिया लागे ना, तेरे बिना मेरा कहीं जिया लागे ना, ना जिया लागे ना, तेरे बिना मेरा कहीं जिया लागे ना।
There is no social message in it.
Sorry?
There is no social message in it.
Yes, ma'am. I too had the same confusion because I had already sung. I had sung both the category songs. So I just found out from, yeah, ma'am, she said you can go ahead with a filmy song.
No, but this category is for song with a social message. It can be a filmy song. Filmy songs also have social messages.
Yeah, but this minute
This is love song.
I had prepared for this song. Do I go ahead?
Jyoti?
Or hello?
Judges, please say whether she continues with this song or not.
Not in this category.
No. Okay, then
There
can
is
I
no
sing
social
some other
message.
song? Put A scale. Can I sing the social message song?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second. Huh? Put A scale. इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन के बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते से हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, I just on the spot, I just sang.
Next is Madhumita. Madhumita Sarkar. Madhumita, are you there? Madhumita, are you there? Next is Mohana Sen. Is Mohana there? Next is Neeti Gupta. Neeti Gupta, are you there?
Yes. Yes, I'm here.
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Yeah, we can see you.
Okay, so I'm going to play the piano because I don't have a harmonium with me.
Yeah.
I hope the piano is not coming so loud to you. Is it okay?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Thank you. So I chose the song from the movie Border, and where the character is sad about the aftermaths of the war. We see many parts of the world, they're affected by the wars, Afghanistan, Syria, Yemen. There's a humanitarian crisis soon after that rises and which make the common man suffer. So it's my message to the social, it's a message to the world leaders to say no to war. जंग तो चंद रोज होती है, जंग तो चंद रोज होती है, जिंदगी बरसों तलक रोती है। सन्नाटे की गहरी छाँव, खामोशी से जलते गाँव, ये नदियों पर टूटे हुए पुल, धरती घायल और व्याकुल, ये गीत गमों से झुलसे हुए, ये खाली रास्ते सहमे हुए, ये मातम करता सारा समा, ये जलते घर ये काला धुआं, ये जलते घर ये काला धुआं, हो, मेरे दुश्मन मेरे भाई मेरे हमसाए, मेरे दुश्मन मेरे भाई मेरे हमसाए, तुझसे मुझसे हम दोनों से ये जलते घर कुछ कहते हैं, बर्बादी के सारे मंजर कुछ कहते हैं, हाय मेरे दुश्मन मेरे भाई मेरे हमसाए, Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Panchami. Panchami, are you there?
Yeah. Okay. This is a melodic tribute to the glory of our motherland, India. My code is 155B. तेरे सर पे नीला गगन है, सौंधी माटी है, तेरे कांधे हरियाली छूनर सरसराती है, ये नदियाँ तेरा गहना है, सागर का दर्पण है, तेरे दिल में करुणा मेघ है, आँखों में सावन है, तेरी सांसें बस प्रेम के किस्से सुनाती हैं, तेरे इश्क में डूबे हैं हम तो अपनी माटी है, तू अपनी माटी है, तू अपनी माटी है। गम पमा गरी गमनी धामा पसारे ने धनी दा पदा मनी दा पम गम पा, तेरे अंजुरी में खेत है एक धान का दाना, तेरी उंगलियां है कारीगर की ख्वाब बुन जाना, तेरे बाजों में बल बढ़ा जो सरहदें थामे, तेरे जहन का लोहा भी सारी दुनिया ही माने, तेरा जज्ब है जवान का, तेरा मर्म है किसान का, हर दर्द को सह कर भी तू तो मुस्कुराती है, हर कली हर फूल दामन में समाती है। ये नदियाँ तेरा गहना है, सागर का दर्पण है। तेरे दिल में करुणा मेघ है, आँखों में सावन है। तेरी सांसें बस प्रेम के किस्से सुनाती है। तेरे इश्क में डूबे हैं हम तो अपनी माटी है। तू अपनी माटी है, तू अपनी माटी है। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Next is Rajeshwari Patil. Rajeshwari, are you there? Is Rajeshwari there? Then it is Sanjukta. Sanjukta, you are there?
Yeah. This is Sanjukta Ghosh from District 329. My tribute to Indian soldiers. तलवार पे सरवर वार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है मेरी ज़मीं, अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। ओ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। वाह वाह सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगरा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना हमें मेरे वतना हमें, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे, मैं कितना नसीब वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। केसरी Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjukta. Next is Sharanya. Sharanya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
So I have selected the song "A Malik Tere Bande Hum." This song pleads for the strength to be virtuous, embraces death as a reality, accepts human frailty, and implores God to take all our sins and weakness. ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम,
Thank you. Next is Sheetal. Sheetal, are you there? Sheetal?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, please.
Hi, 90B, Sheetal Satish from IWC Chennai Symphony, District 323. This song is dedicated to all the women who are fighting some problem in life. All of us do at some time or the other. So this is just a push to all of them, saying that aage zindagi hai, lado, aage badho, and it's never going to be too difficult. And there are a lot of people who are going to help you. So Pink First being our theme, that's why I chose this song. दीवारें ऊंची हैं, गलियां हैं तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँवों पे छाले है सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, रीति की जंजीरें खा गई जंग, न्याय के मंदिर भी हो गए भंग, जमाना चले ना चले मेरे संग, बोलूंगी हल्ला आवाज दबंग, बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, छोटे हैं जिस्म पर मरहम उमंग, लाश नहीं हूँ मन जिंदा पतंग, दिल में उम्मीदें खुशियों के रंग, आंसू बनेंगे एक नई तरंग, हाँ बेखौफ आजाद है उड़ना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे, दीवारें ऊंची है गलियां है तंग, लंबी डगर है पर हिम्मत है संग, पाँवों पे छाले है सांसें बुलंद, लड़ने चली हूँ आजादी की जंग, बेखौफ आजाद है जीना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है उड़ना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है कहना मुझे, बेखौफ आजाद है रहना मुझे. Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Simla.
Yes, I am present.
Yeah, please.
My song is on patriotism. तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों से जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है, ए मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे, ओ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। वाह Thank you. I make my song short. I am from District 303.
Thank you. Next is Suma Prakash. Are you there, Suma? Suma Prakash, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Namaste. I am Suma Prakash from Mysore, District 318. This is for Pink First, not to take women for granted. I am from the movie Aapki Kasam. Am I audible, ma'am?
You are.
Huh?
Yes, you are audible.
जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। फूल खिलते हैं, लोग मिलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, लोग मिलते हैं, मगर पतझड़ में जो फूल मुरझा जाता है, वो बहारों के आने से खिलते नहीं। कुछ लोग एक रोज जो बिछड़ जाते हैं, वो हजारों के आने से मिलते नहीं। उम्र भर चाहे कोई पुकारा करे उनका नाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। Thank you.
Thank you. Next is Surya Kala Kumar. Are you there?
Yes.
Yes,
Can you
please.
hear?
Yeah, we can hear you.
I am Suryakala Kumar, District 329. আমি আপনাকে রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত শোনাচ্ছি। মেসেজেস ভগবানকে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। গান আছে আমার বেলা যে যায়। আমার বেলা যে যায় সাজ বেলাতে, তোমার সুরে সুরে সুর মিলাতে। আমার বেলা যে যায় সাজ বেলাতে, তোমার সুরে সুরে সুর মিলাতে। আমার বেলা যে যায় একটা রাতে একটি তারে, গানের বিধান সে কিনারে। একটা রাতে একটি তারে, গানের বিধান সে কিনারে। তোমার সাথে বারে বারে হার মেলেছি, এই খেলাতে তোমার সুরে সুরে সুর মিলাতে আমার বেলা যে যায়, সাজ বেলাতে তোমার সুরে সুরে সুর মিলাতে আমার বেলা যে যায়।
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next is Swati Kulkarni. Swati Kulkarni, are you there?
She opted out, Mitadi, from the
She
second
opted out,
category.
no? Yeah,
We have
yeah.
Varshita Ramesh next.
Varshita Ramesh, are you there? No? Then Yashvi must be there. Yashvi, you are there? Yashvi Jalan?
Yes.
Who's this? This is Yashvi?
Yeah, hi.
Hi. Where are you? We can't see you. Yeah. What happened? Yashvi, are you there? क्या हो रहा है?
Ma'am, I did not know I was shortlisted for this category. I was actually just watching the program.
Okay, but your name is there. You are shortlisted for both the. Can you sing or you want to opt out?
Is there someone left after me?
Not really. But I think you can sing. You
If
can
I
go
can
ahead.
just get like 5 minutes to choose a song, I'll sing it.
No, we are all hungry now for dinner.
I know. I had no idea. Otherwise, I would have prepared in advance.
Nita, this is Varshita Ramesh.
Varshita is there? No, I don't think she's there also.
Hi, ma'am. I am there.
Oh, you're there? Where
Yeah.
were you?
I went to the washroom and that time you called me out.
This is Madhumita?
Yes.
Oh, you went and had dinner and we are sitting hungry over here.
No dinner. I'm going crazy sitting for 5 hours. No food. I went to the washroom.
Please, go ahead fast.
Should I go ahead?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, hi everybody. My name is Madhumita Sarkar and I'm from Delhi. And I heard everybody sing so beautifully and all your messages were so good. So, I decided to sing one very beautiful song which has a very simple yet a very deep and profound meaning to it. So, if I just tell you the topic that the song belongs to the friendship category, it may sound like, oh, it's so easy. But actually, in our life, friendship is something which is golden. We don't really get true friends in today's world. So, this song really tells us that, you are supposed to be a good friend, a true friend, and you're supposed to rely on me just as I am supposed to rely on you. I think, anywhere in life you need to move ahead, but you can't move ahead really alone. You need someone. You need that one person with you. So this song can be dedicated to a friend or it can also be dedicated to a lover. So here is the song for you. I would request everybody to keep themselves on mute. Thank you. Oh. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, 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 yeah, yeah. If you're tough and then you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know I can need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, 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 yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you. Thank you.
Thank you. That's what friends are for. They are listening to you so late at night.
Yes, thank you so much, everybody, for listening to me. Thank you so much for your precious, precious time.
Okay, now the judges, please. Can we have Shormila on the spot? Shormila?
Hello.
Yes. I think we have finished with both the categories now.
Hi, ma'am. This is Yashvi here.
Yashvi, yes.
I'm kind of ready, kind of. I mean, I literally just selected a song, so.
You want to sing?
Yeah, why not?
Please be fast because everybody is hungry. I can understand.
I understand. I'm sorry. If I had known, I would have been ready.
Please
So
be fast.
so this song is called Shallow, and it's basically about like the story is about someone who was suicidal. So it's about staying okay, you'll listen to it, you'll understand. Okay. Tell me something, girl. this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something that you're searching for? Falling in all the good times, I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I fear myself. I'm of the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground, crash through the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now. Oh, 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 I'm of the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground, crash through the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, can we have our judge, Sharmila? Can we?
Yes.
Yes. Sharmila, please, your comments on the entire show.
Entire show was great. Everybody sang so well. And if you want, I will request other judges to give
Yes,
their
yes. After you, we will have the other judges also. Shomi Majumdar, Shomi?
Yes, Mitadi.
Yes, please. Your
I'm
view on
speechless.
today's program.
I'm speechless because I really feel very privileged, and I'm very happy to be part of this gala event. You know, it is very inspiring to see all the colorful participants. I never imagined this. So it is really, it was a delightful experience. And I can feel their passion, their love for music, their enthusiasm for music. So all the best to all.
Thank you, Arina.
All of us. You know, thank you very
Arina,
much for the interview.
please say something.
Participants are so good. I still have to judge them.
We can't hear you properly. Arina, we can't hear you properly.
Participants are fabulous. So judgment was too tough for us, I think.
District Chairman Jyoti, are you Jyoti? Is Jyoti available to talk? Jyoti. Yes, Jyoti is there, I think. Jyoti, can you speak to us?
Just a minute. Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Jyoti, we can hear you.
We can hear you.
Yeah. Hello.
We can't see you, but we can hear you.
Okay. Yeah, I just missed out the last.
We can see you, but you are in the dark.
Yes, yes. So I'm out actually.
Okay.
Yes. So what you're asking, Mitadi?
Yes, I'm asking how did you like the entire show despite our glitches in the beginning?
That is okay. That glitch
we
was not,
apologize
it was
for
not a
that.
major glitch.
I apologize to the judges for they are not prepared.
Yeah, that is okay, but that glitch was not a very major thing. We could easily manage another Zoom link, so that's okay. It's just a superb. Mitadi, you made my dream true.
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा.
I'm getting so many messages on my personal box that it's a wonderful show. Mean the quality of singers really awesome. As I say, it was like a very pleasant 2 years to listen to them, and everything it become a little lengthy for everyone, but otherwise it's
lengthy for the judges too.
No, and lengthy for the judges, but people who really love music,
yes,
they have really enjoyed. Which is one of the best.
And Jyoti from Virtual Sangeet Ashram, we will organize a mehfil. मैं बोल रही हूँ. I've heard through all the the good people, and we will do something after this event is over.
Yes. I know, because you are there too. You will the singers they won't have the full stop here. So I just my message to everyone that this is just a beginning, and people are looking for your talents. So all the best to everyone, and thank you, judges, for your valuable time. And now looking forward for the name of the finalist very soon.
The finalists will be going by mail to all the finalists, okay? And all semi-finalists.
So by what time they should expect the result?
Within 7 days.
7 days, yeah, perfect.
And all the semi-finalists will get an e-certificate from here. That will go by mail, okay?
Yes. Thank you. Yeah, thank you all judges. Thank you, Devjani. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you, Deepika, for working like.
Yes, I think we should have Deepika and Devjani over here also on the picture.
Yes.
Can
you spotlight on Deepika and Devjani?
Yes. Where is Devjani? Devjani, where are you?
Without them. My special thanks goes to.
Yes, here is Devjani.
I think you don't know our group name. My editor's group name is Hamshires. So my thanks goes to my 2 Hamshires today. Without them, it wouldn't have happened.
They have done brilliant, both of you, Devjani and
without their support, it would not have been possible. This and Mitadi, I'm really looking that you will be giving opportunity to these singers.
Yes, we will at least we will have some program or something. Yeah, sure.
Mitadi, please continue this program to next year also. जैसे Indian Idol होता है ना,
ये कौन बोल रहे हैं?
सीमा सोंथालिया.
सीमा सोंथालिया कहाँ है भाई? कहाँ से बोल रहे
हैं? A special thanks goes to Dhumal ji also for arranging the links.
Dhumal ji, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
आपने तो मेरा जान ला दिया है, Dhumal ji.
Hearing for 5 hours, waiting for 5 years and hearing it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Always ready to serve.
आपने मेरा जान दे दिया. I can tell you this much. मेरा जान रहा था.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you, District 329. Thank you, Meeta ji. It was amazing to participate. 5 hours कैसे निकल गए? आपको स्पीड का दर्द तो है, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी तरह से निकले.
But we loved it, you know. Also, people from all over India, na, बहुत अच्छा लगा. This is different, you know, experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thanks to DC Jyoti Mehpal, Aditi, Meeta Di. I know this people only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
All the singers.
Don't think about this technical. All is well that ends well.
Miss Madhumita Sarkar, you have sung my favorite song. My God.
Yes, Madhumita.
I become bad, you know.
Madhumita, खाना खा के फिर
No khana.
वो बेचारा नहीं खाया है
No khana. I swear, no khana. I ate at 2 p.m. and then after that nothing. I just had tea, you know. I have to sing. Oh my God! I just told my mom.
मधुमिता आज तो खाना खाओ ही मत, आज तो खाओ ही मत, आज तो इतना हो गया है तुम्हारा कि खाओ मत, पेट भर गया.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye. Good night.
Okay, thank you, judges.
Thanks to you,
Tina,
Meena.
Best of luck to all the participants.
Thank you so much. आप लोग ने शोभी जी को दोबारा सुना. Thank you so much.
Oh my, she's so wonderful.
She is wonderful, really. So Sobhiji is wonderful.
खाली उनके घर में थोड़ा कुछ साउंड माउंड ठीक होने से
हाँ, वो
प्रॉपर इम्पैक्ट है.
she is wonderful singer, Shobhiji.
Ma'am, excuse me, please.
Thank you so much. Meeta di, sorry to interrupt. Somebody is trying to speak from a long time, I think. Excuse me, I could hear.
Who's this?
Yes.
Ma'am, myself, Amrita from District 325.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I sing 2 lines more?
Yeah.
Amrita,
Yes,
Amrita,
yes.
तुम कहाँ हो? We can't see you. Where are you?
चलते चलते गाना.
I have changed now. That's why I was not coming. That's why I'm not switching on my video. I have changed. That's
You have
why.
changed?
Yes, yes.
I have changed my
चलते
dress.
चलते हम लोग 2 लाइन
Oh,
और
अच्छा
सुनेंगे.
अच्छा, ये तो स्त्री शक्ति है ना. This is a स्त्री शक्ति where you have nothing to feel hesitant about.
Actually, what happened, ma'am? I have prepared 2 songs, and for myself, it was very difficult to select one. So one is left. I want to, ma'am, just 2 lines. Please allow me.
Yes, yes, sure,
please.
sure. Yes, please.
I'll start with the antra. हमको मिली है
Sang very well. I heard your sister. She also sang.
घड़ियाँ नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले से
Wonderful, wonderful.
अरे यार मुलाकात होगी जरूर.
एकदम बहुत. Now we
Hello.
all again we will meet on 27th November.
Let's
Yes.
hope for the
After
best. Ma'am, I
Diwali
don't know whether I will be selected or not, but that was a privilege performing on this platform. That's a big thing for me.
Hello.
And even if
But you all-
if you are
you
selected or you are not selected, please be there for the finals.
Yes.
Definitely, ma'am.
Thank you,
Definitely.
Jyoti.
Okay, thank you.
ma'am.
Bye.
I'm
Good
the
night, everyone.
I'm
Bye
the
bye.
viewer sitting from 6 o'clock till now. The
Yes,
end.
I have been watching you, ma'am, that you have been seeing it through, although you are not a participant.
I was not a participant. The third participant was from my
ये बहुत मुझे अच्छा
Bye,
लगा.
Madhumita. Bye bye.
Really, we did not
Bye,
want
bye.
you to leave.
Bye. Hi, Mita Di.
Bye. Who's this?
Bye, Jyoti. Bye.
Bye bye.
Have a nice dinner. Mita Di, जाओ खाना खा लो अब.
हाँ, okay, so we can take leave, everybody.
Night.
Yes.
Bye. See you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
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 Bye bye. Robindra Sangeet, you're not a Bengali, no?
No.
लेकिन अपने Robindra Sangeet.
Because I have selected a wrong song, no?
No, that I'm not saying. I'm asking you are learning Robindra Sangeet?
No.
No, सीखना चाहिए.
She changed it last minute.
I chose the song in the last minute. Anyhow, I really enjoyed it. Thank you very much. for arranging such a beautiful program.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Deepadi and Devjani. Deepadi and Devjani.
Yeah.
Yes.
If it was not the COVID period, we would have met, and had a good.
No. I'm going to get a coffee treat.
वही मैं सोच रहा है.
I'm not letting you go. Deepika.
What about me? I'm not in Kolkata.
When are you coming back, Deepika?
Deepika, हम लोग तो treat लेके छोड़ेंगे.
अभी तो नहीं, कोई idea नहीं है.
Let Deepika come and then we'll have the treat.
Yeah. Chalo. Okay.
Okay.
Finally.
Bye bye. Bye bye everybody. Arina, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much, Arina. তোমরা এতটা সময় দিয়েছো সত্যি। মানে আমাদের অন্যায় আবদার হয়েছে এত লম্বা পিরিয়ড করা।
না এত লম্বা হলেও ভালো এনজয় করেছি। Daddy, can they see me?
না আমরা যে একটু জাজেদের অল্প করে গান শুনবো সেই সুযোগ আমাদের হয়নি। আমরা তো তাড়া দিয়েছি।
No, Mitadi, we will do a very good like program for the finals. We should plan a few performances also.
Yes.
Yeah.
মিতাদি, thank you so
Okay,
much.
Tata.
তোমাদের সাথে এতটা সময় কাটিয়ে খুব এনজয় করলাম। Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good
Bye-bye,
night.
everyone. Good night.
So then I'm leaving.
मैडम आप मीटिंग क्लोज कर दो.
हाँ हम क्लोज कर देते हैं. Yes.
यू में वहाँ पे end to all कर दीजिए.
Yes.